All right, here we are in Myrtle Beach, walking down the beach, kind of on top of the world, really. So how are we doing this? There's no drone, there's nobody videoing us. So is it A, the COVID vaccine gave me special superpowers, or B, I'm the greatest photographer in the world? We'll go with B. So check out this out. Let's look at the ocean, see what we got. Down low. I'll get in front of him and get a shot of you. Okay, so here we are. So how are we doing it? Can you guess? Can you figure it out? I'll let you guys know Thursday or Friday how we're doing it if you don't already know. But it's pretty cool. We're gonna have fun with this, so we'll see you later. Bye.